Some of buildings and structures of archaeological value in Anuradhapura have no clear written history. One of such places that can be easily seen is the Padhanaghara Western Monastery Complex. This is located on the road leading to Mahamevuna Monastery at the Lolugasava junction on the Anuradhapura village road. It is not possible to say with certainty who built it, i.e., a king, or the year it was built. Archaeologists who have explored the remaining buildings and the architectural techniques used to create them have concluded that this was built in the pre-Christian era. Archaeologists say that it was a special monastery built for the meditative monks who lived at the time. It was known by other names such as Pathanagala and Piyangala. This building's complex was built on high protruding rock. The especially is that since then a natural cooling system has been built around the building to prevent the monks living here from experiencing extreme heat in order to adapt to the hot climate of Anuradhapura. This can be introduced as the oldest building complex in history built as a natural air conditioning system. At the entrance to this, two stone pillars have been created parallel to each other, and we can see stone slabs connecting them. We can see it very clearly in the gate on the left. We can compare it to a concrete slab that we use for building today. These stone pillars have been created very accurately to very precise measurement, that is to very precise measurement and machine tools. We can identify the gate on the left as the main entrance when we look at it from the road. As soon as we enter through the gate, we can see two beautiful designs that can be supposed to of being a stone bed on either side of the gate. As we enter and go forward from there, we can see a pond on the left with a depth of about 15 feet. It appears that this complex is built in two layers. When we compare with current engineering knowledge, walls are built by leaving a gap between two such layers to prevent noise from coming into the buildings. From this we understand that this building complex was a monastery complex at that time. So we see that the engineers of that time built it in this way so that the monks who were meditating here would not to be disturbed by the sounds coming from outside. We are future surprised when we see how the grains in stone have been cut and polished to very precise and the precise measurement like carpenters using wood. In addition, we can see the very precisely prepared canal for the flow of water in the sloping place. Here, pillars have been used to from a platform using stone slabs and buildings have been created on them. The toilets built here have been designed with very beautiful carvings. We can see something like a bed. It can be used to sit on or as the table when necessary. It is exactly the same as the bathroom that are built today. Next time you are in Anuradhapura, I urge you to visit this place of historical and archaeological value.